Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay ginagamit na 7 araw na may 262 total meters. Printer head area, capping, head clean. Punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag head clean. Nozzle test. Ang tank system tama lang po. Ground wire, EVR, waste tank, tilinis lang po ito kagabi. Ito naman po yung stock namin na MYK. Ito naman po yung sabli roll, consumable monitoring, sabli paper, cyan, yellow, magenta, black, delay output record, ICC profile, yan lang po.